Welcome to our channel. If you want comprehensive offline translation capabilities for international travel, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare Google Translate for use without internet connectivity. Step 1. Install the Google Translate app on your smartphone from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store if not already installed. Step 2. Open the app and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download language packs without using mobile data. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines or your profile icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. Step 4. Select Offline Translation, Downloaded Languages, or similar option to view the language download interface. Step 5. Review the list of available languages. Tap the download icon next to each language you need for your destination. Step 6. Wait for each language pack to download. Larger languages may take several minutes. You can download multiple languages for different countries. Step 7. Verify downloads completed successfully by checking for check marks next to each language in the offline translation list. Step 8. Test offline mode by enabling airplane mode on your device, then opening Google Translate and selecting your downloaded languages. You can now translate text, use camera translation for signs, and access conversation mode without internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.